Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science. We're in Utah today at DieselSellerz.com. Now, if any of you guys are fans of the Diesel Brothers show on the Discovery Channel, these are the Diesel Brothers right here. I was literally just watching the episode on this military truck with a giant snowplow mounted to it. So cool to see these in person. There's a real live monster truck here. I just saw this one in the episode where Heavy D brings out the guys, the drivers of the real life monster trucks for Maximum D and also Gravedigger. He actually brings them out for a spin in this truck. This is so cool to see these trucks in person. So ridiculous, the suspension on this truck. Pretty much as close as you can get to a real life monster truck on the street here. The exhaust there. Huge shocks. I don't even know how you get up in that cab. Just absolutely ridiculous. Got a pretty crazy crawler here with a rear-mounted radiator. Cummins twin turbo. Snorkel intake. Just totally dwarfed in comparison there. Got a Kenworth truck over here. This definitely caught my eye. Competition crawler. Look at those dual shocks. Thanks again for watching. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you next time. Thanks again for watching. Again, this is Racing to Learn at DieselSellerz.com, home of the Diesel Brothers.